I want you to know that our heart is to act in the long-term best interest of these precious, precious children that we get the privilege of interacting with, of educating, of teaching, of giving them the gift of education that unlocks potential for their future.
For us to be able to be the 5th campus open up since 2017 also speaks to how intentional we are about moving forward. We are a movement.
It's not just a ribbon cutting. What we are doing is that we are cutting barriers and closing generational gaps. It is not just opening the doors to a brand new school. We are opening the doors to the next leaders of our generation.